Our application captures every single logistic from the time the client calls to the time we invoice them and also follow up. It captures every single aspect of what we do, and that's why we call it the Beast. Build-360 is my commercial contracting business. We're getting ready to start our 20th year, and what we've blossomed into is an entity that requires more people, scaling. We looked at about another 15 different softwares out there, and we would go like 2 weeks into a trial with it, and we're like, gosh, there's a roadblock there. How to fix it? So ultimately we made the decision to just, why don't we do it ourselves? And it came across Glide. Then we started working with it. And then, of course, we were led to V88 with Oscar and his team. And there was a spark instantly. That's the thing. Like, how do you scale and grow? There's so much time spent following up, following through. It's a never-ending loop. And see, site visit, it's on the calendar. Every time a person touches it, they update what they did on it so that the next person knows what's going on with it. That's what I showed Oscar in the beginning. Guess what Oscar gave me at the end? This. In the process of creating this, we created a whole bunch of amazing stuff. Honestly, what Oscar has been creating, there's not one platform in the world that works like that. It's very proprietary. We have a component, it's called Update Client, where we can do it real time. We can capture some pictures, we can write some notes, and then of course there's an AI button. And ultimately, it just goes through all of the pertinent project information to date. It scrapes it, and it just basically compiles a point-by-point report. And so then you can forward that off. So if we have to do 10, 15 updates a week, and we have one field manager that's out there on the job sites looking at it, the amount of time that it saves is just incredible. So super excited about what AI is going to be able to do for us. I really feel that if people that are in business don't get on some form of software technology, I think we're going to get left behind. And that's just it. The world is changing. It's moving fast. Companies like Glide are creating tools that can be put together specifically for companies that can literally give you something back you've never had.